Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA ThinkPhone, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, open new message or any other area where you can input some text, and here you can notice your current keyboard. To change it, tap on settings icon, go to languages, and tap on add keyboard. Then select the language that you want to apply. As you can see, the list is pretty long, so you can smoothly find it. You can also use this search icon to find for the language that you want to apply. Just enter here the particular language, mark it, and tap on done. Now we can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit, click on the language to delete, and tap on bin icon. And from now on, this brand new language will be applied, and also the previous one will be deleted. If you wish to stay with both, you can do it, and then you will be able to switch between them by tapping on space. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.